Hello everyone, welcome to Clear IAS. In this video, we will be discussing about organizations and reports. We'll be discussing about few important reports, and if you need any information regarding any specific report, please inform us. I am Ujjwala Pulila, an educator at Clear IAS. So the format will be, first we'll be discussing a few important points regarding the organization, and then the reports being published by them will be discussed. Only the important points regarding each and every report and organization will be discussed here. This will come in handy for your quick revision. And also in the questions where you need to choose between the different statements whether they are true or false, it will be helpful in such questions for you. Formation, that is of the Asian Development Bank ADB. It was formed in the year 1966 on 19th December. Headquarters, its headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. Member countries 68. Largest shareholders are Japan and USA. Asian Development Outlook. As the name itself suggests, it analyzes the economic and development issues prevailing in the developing countries of Asia. It also forecasts the level of inflation and growth rates in the countries. The 2021 ADO stressed upon the importance of agricultural systems resilient to climate change. So as we all know that one of the important sectors which will be definitely in the future impacted by the climate change is agriculture. So this Asian Development Outlook report of 2021 discussed about the importance of agricultural systems. World Bank. Formation. It was formed in July 1944. Headquarters is in Washington DC, USA. World Bank Group. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD, International Development Association IDA, International Finance Corporation IFC, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency MIGA, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. So IBRD and IDA will be helpful for guiding the countries in poverty elimination, whereas International Finance Corporation will be helping the countries to secure investments. Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, it will provide security to the investments made in the developing countries. Whereas, as the name itself suggests, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes will be helpful in solving various disputes arising between the investors and states. Ease of Doing Business Index. This index is prepared based on the average of 10 sub-indices. The information is gathered based on a survey in consultation with a large group of respondents and experts. It measures the different regulations in a country which affect the businesses there. Higher rankings on the index indicate simpler regulations for the businesses. A better rank on the index gives a positive outlook to the investors. World Development Report. The report is being published annually since 1978. A specific aspect of the economic development is analyzed in a WDR. So that is, every year a specific topic which is of importance is taken by the World Development Report and is discussed in detail. The 2021 WDR explored the wide potential of data for creating better lives. So as we all know that this is the time of big data. A large volume of data is being created every day. So this 2021 report, it discussed about this data and the way it can be used for creating better lives. It also analyzed the mechanisms necessary for sustainable use of this data. International Monetary Fund IMF. Formation 27 December 1945. Headquarters is in Washington DC, USA. Member countries 190. And aim is to work for global growth and economic stability. World Economic Outlook. The global economic developments are analyzed in this report. See, by looking at the titles of the reports itself, you can get a vague idea regarding the contents which will be discussed in those reports. For example, this is World Economic Outlook. So obviously, it will have something related to the economy. The latest report of 2021 analyzed the recovery of global economy amid the challenges posed by the pandemic. The report forecasts the growth rates of global economy as well as individual economies. Financial Action Task Force FATF. Formation 1989. Headquarters is in Paris, France. Members 39 countries. And aim is to devise policies for combating money laundering and terrorist financing. So what is money laundering? Money laundering is the process in which the illegal source of funds is disguised and the money is shown to have been obtained from legitimate sources. Global Money Laundering Report. The report helps in providing an assessment of the threat of money laundering. It also helps the governments in taking a decisive action against such threats. The report publicizes the negative impact of money laundering on the economy. The 2021 report analyzed the changing trends of money laundering in COVID times and the advantage of pandemic taken by the criminals. International Food Policy Research Institute. Formation 1975. Headquarters Washington DC, USA. Aim to conduct research in agricultural technology and to provide solutions for ending malnutrition and hunger. Global Hunger Index Report. It was created in 2006 and is published annually. It tracks the state of hunger in countries. The index measures hunger on a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 stands for the best score, that is no hunger, and 100 stands for the worst score. Since 2018, IFPRA is no longer associated with this index. It is now a joint initiative of Belthangar Life and Concern Worldwide. International Labour Organization ILO. Formation 11th April 1999. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Membership 187 countries. Uniqueness: a tripartite agency bringing together governments, employers and workers. Global Wage Report. The first such report came out in 2008. The report analyzes the global wage trends and wage policies followed. The 2020-2021 wage report focused on the impact of the COVID-19 on labor markets and minimum wages worldwide. See, one of the most significant events happened in the last 2 years was COVID-19. It has impacted almost every sector of the economy. So whatever reports were published during this period, they have majorly focused on the impact of COVID-19 on these sectors. It also underscored the wage decreases borne by women. International Energy Agency. Formation November 1974. Headquarters Paris, France. Membership 30 countries. Aim strives for a sustainable energy future. World Energy Outlook. An annual publication of IEA, it was first published in the year 1997. WEO provides analysis on global trends on energy supply and demand. The 2021 report analyzed the opportunities and risks associated with clean energy transition in the current turbulent times. Transparency International. Formation May 1993. Headquarters Berlin, Germany. Uniqueness: one of the leading civil society organizations fighting against corruption. Global Corruption Report. This report analyzes the perceived levels of public sector corruption and ranks the countries accordingly. It uses a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 is highly corrupt and 100 is very clean. It was first started in 1995. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Formation 30th December 1964. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Member countries 195. World Investment Report. This report mainly deals with the trends in the foreign direct investment flows. The latest 2021 report largely focused on the impact of COVID-19 on the investment flows. It also focused on the impact on achieving SDGs targets due to the reduced investment. SDG is Sustainable Development Goals targets. Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Formation 2012. Offices New York, Paris and Kuala Lumpur. Aim to advance the Sustainable Development Goals. World Happiness Report. The report surveys and ranks the countries based on the level of national happiness. The survey consists of a questionnaire where the respondents rate their own lives on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the worst and 10 being the best possible lives. Each report deals with a specific theme and also stresses upon the benefits of happiness. United Nations Environment Programme UNEP. Formation 5th June 1972. So as soon as you see this date, what comes to your mind? 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Headquarters Nairobi, Kenya. Significance. UNEP along with WMO established the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that is IPCC, in 1988. WMO is World Meteorological Organization. To encourage the conservation of environment through leadership and partnership. Global Environmental Outlook. This report is concerned with the state of environment and is issued periodically by UNEP. It depends on a global network of centers for inputs, assessment as well as reporting. The very first GEO was published in the year 1997. World Economic Forum. Formation 24 January 1971. Headquarters Cologne, Switzerland. Significance. A not-for-profit organization striving for improving the state of the world by providing a platform for various stakeholders. Global Competitiveness Report. The report analyzes the levels of economic prosperity and the ability of the countries in providing the same to its citizens. It ranks the countries based on the level of competitiveness. There are 12 pillars of competitiveness followed by the report. They are institutions, infrastructure, macroeconomic framework, health and primary education, innovation, market size, efficient labor markets, ability to harness technology, product markets, production of new goods, training and skills, and financial markets. World Wildlife Fund WWF. Formation 29th April 1961. Headquarters Glan, Switzerland. Significance. It is world's largest conservation organization working in the field of wildlife preservation. Living Planet Report. It is a biannual report being published from the year 1998. Biannual in the sense it is published once in every 2 years. It analyzes the health of our ecosystem and the impact of human activities on it. The report is based on the Living Planet Index, which is a measure of the biological diversity. World Intellectual Property Organization. Formation 14th July 1967. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Significance. It is one of the specialized agencies of the United Nations and it aims to protect as well as promote the intellectual property. Global Innovation Index. It analyzes a country's capacity and success in innovation. It was first started in 2007 and is an annual publication of WIPO. The index is compiled based on various indicators which can be grouped into two main subcategories, which are innovation inputs and outputs. Forest Survey of India. Formation 1st June 1981. Headquarters Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Significance: FSI conducts forest surveys and does research to monitor the forest resources. It helps with the data required for planning and conservation of resources. It also plays a role for the implementation of social forestry projects. India State of Forest Report. It is a biennial publication of the Forest Survey of India. It assesses the forest and tree cover in the overall geographical area. It also assesses the dependence of people on the forest resources like bamboo, timber, fodder, etc. According to the report in 2019, the forest cover in our country was 21.67%. United Nations Human Settlement Program, that is UN Habitat. Formation 1978. Headquarters Nairobi, Kenya. Significance: it strives for adequate shelter for all as well as sustainable human settlements and urban development. World Cities Report. This report studies the urban development and stresses the need for it to be sustainable. The 2020 report affirmed the need to building of resilient cities which can withstand and bounce back from the impact of calamities. See, due to the climate change, the frequency of events such as floods, cyclones, droughts, etc. is increasing. So we need to build our infrastructure in such a way so that they can withstand this impact of calamities. It also stressed on harnessing the potential of sustainable urbanization for the well-being of all. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Formation 1997. Headquarters Vienna, Austria. Significance: it aims to make the world a safer place from the threats posed by drugs, organized crime, corruption, and terrorism. World Wildlife Crime Report. This report assesses the threat of wildlife trafficking to the biodiversity. The 2020 report discussed the trafficking of some species like tigers, pangolins, turtles, etc. It also highlighted the relation between trafficking and threat to human health through transmission of zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are the ones that are transmitted from animals to humans. United Nations Development Programme UNDP. Formation 22nd November 1965. Headquarters New York. Significance: it helps the countries to eliminate poverty and achieve human development through sustainable economic growth. Human Development Index. This is one of the most important indices. It ranks the countries by the level of human development based on the following indicators: life expectancy, education, and per capita income. It is based on the approach developed by Mehboob ul Haq and Amartya Sen. Based on these scores, countries are classified into very high, high, medium, and low development countries. India is placed in the list of countries with medium human development, scoring 0.645 as per 2020 report. Later on, IHDI, that is Inequality Adjusted HDI, was also introduced, which speaks of the inequalities in the distribution of the above three mentioned indicators, that is life expectancy, education, and per capita income. So, IHDI will be equal to HDI when there is no inequality. Multidimensional Poverty Index. It is released by UNDP along with Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. MPI uses the dimensions like education, health, and standard of living, which are further based on 10 indicators like possession of assets, access to drinking water, sanitation, cooking fuel, and levels of nutrition, etc. MPA was introduced because an idea has got developed which stated that poverty cannot be one-dimensional. That is, economic deprivation cannot be the sole measure of poverty, and there are many other factors which contribute to the well-being of an individual. So a person will be deemed to be multidimensionally poor if he is deprived in at least one-third or more of these weighted indicators. So this was a short discussion on few important organizations and the reports published by them. Almost all the points discussed in this video were self-explanatory, and if you have any doubt regarding any of the points discussed, please inform us. Thank you and see you all with another video.